Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel online learning platform. Today we are studied about the generations of computer. This is the very important topic in many kind of competitive gate exams, SPSC, NTS exams, university admission exams and many other kinds of platform. They were asked this kind of questions like vacuum tube belong to which generation of computer, first generation, second generation, third generation. फर्स्ट जनरेशन स्टार्टेड 1940 1950 वैक्यूम ट्यूब यूज़ होता था मेन मेमोरी इज़ मैग्नेटिक ड्रम एंड मैग्नेट टेप एंड डी जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर एनआईक यूनिवैक IBM 701 IBM 650 एडवैक पुअर स्पीड रिलायबिलिटी इशूज़ assembly language machine code is used input output punch card and paper tape second generation transistors are used memory magnetic core magnetic tape disc IBM 1400 1400 की all series IBM 7090 PDB-8 CDC DEC and IBM 70 series UNIVAC 1107 are belong to second generation. Speed better, reliability better as compared to first generation computer, and languages are come in this generation computer are machine code, Fortran, COBOL, ALGOL, input device, punch card and magnetic tape. And third generation computer 1960 1970 ICs are used, large magnetic core, magnetic tape disc, UNIVAC IBM 360 series CDC DC CDC IBM 350 are used, high level language basic, beginner or proper symbolic instruction code, ALGOL, PL, Fortran, basic, Pascal, COBOL, C language used, input output methods, magnet tape and also the advanced technology like keyboard, monitor, printer are used for input output method. Fourth generation computers are based on microprocessor 1970 till present. VLSI very large scale integration, semiconductor memory are used such as RAM, ROM, IBM PC series, Apple series, Altair series, Gray supercomputer, Star are microprocessor computer. In this generation of computer, keyboard, pointing device, optical scanning, monitor, printer, operating system, multiprocessor, multitaskings are coming in fourth generation of computer. So these are time sharing, virtual memory, operating system, high level language C, C++, Java. These technologies are coming in fourth generation computer. Fifth generation computer, artificial intelligence is used and it is still improving. IBM, Google, DeepMind, D-Wave, quantum computing are coming in fifth generation. Natural language processing NLP coming in fifth generation computer. Python are specialized AI libraries. TensorFlow are coming this fifth generation. Keyboard, monitor, mouse, trackpad, touchpad, speech, input recognize, voice, speech, light, scanners. All these technologies are coming in fifth generation computer. So this topic is very important. They were asked about keyboard, monitor, mouse, printer are coming in which generation of computer, that is fourth generation. So different type of questions, parallel processing are starting the concept of fifth generation computer. So share this useful information to other candidates and subscribe my channel. Thank you.